Hi, this is Edye Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today we are making cookies. Now, believe it or not, we have never made cookies in our Omnia oven. So we have two Omnia ovens. In one, we will make one giant round big cookie, and in the other, we will make the cookies in the little silicone muffin trays. Please do us a huge favor, smooshy that like button, click that notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. If you're interested in the Omnia oven, we will provide a link in the description below where it takes you to our Little House of Beans gear page, and there you will find the oven. Quick hello to Shonda Freedom. She started the Van Life Pantry - Nomadic Pantry Facebook group. So make sure you give her a schmooshy, and she was the one that requested us try the cookies. So super excited. Let's get ready to bake. This is the second batch, identical to the first. This is not a recipe, just a reminder. It is a can you cook cookies, can you bake cookies in the Omnia oven. 12 minutes at 375, 350.